Hi friends, it's Miss Janet from the Stova Library and I have an idea for you today. I thought this would be a great day to make some Play-Doh. Who likes to play with Play-Doh? I do. So if you've even made it yourself or helped your mom or your dad make some Play-Doh, that is part of the fun. So this is really easy. You don't need many things in your house. You just need some flour and some salt, some oil, some water, and food coloring, whatever color you choose. So you need a bowl, two bowls actually, a bowl for the dry ingredients and a smaller bowl for the wet ingredients. So into your bigger bowl, you're going to get a tablespoon measure. So maybe ask your mom or your dad, you need a tablespoon, and you're going to mix or measure. You need to measure out 8 tablespoons. So you're going to put this level spoon in and get 8 and put it into your big bowl. So you need 8 of those. So 8 tablespoons of flour. And then you're going to need 2 of the same measures, 2 tablespoons of table salt. So get out your table salt and do 2 of those, 1 and 2. And you're going to mix up those dry things in the big bowl. And then in your smaller bowl, what you need to do is you need to do 60 milliliters. So you'll have to have some help with that to measure 60 milliliters of warm water. So on mine, there's a 50 and a 75. So I had to go between the 50 and the 75 to make 60. 60 milliliters of warm water, that goes into your small bowl. 1 tablespoon of some kind of oil, some vegetable oil. So again, that same measure you use for the flour and the salt, you're going to use for your oil. So you just need 1 of those, put that into your small bowl, and then whatever color of food coloring you choose. I chose blue, so you just need a few drops to make it as colorful as you want. And then mix all the wet ingredients, and you've already mixed the dry, and you're going to add these wet things into your dry. So put all the wet mixture into your dry, and then you're going to mix it all together. Stir till it's all mixed together. And then what you need to do is get a little bit more flour and put it on your counter or your table wherever you're working. Put a little bit of flour, and then you're going to dump that doughy mixture out onto your table, and you're going to knead it. You're going to just roll it and knead it, and roll it and knead it, and roll it and knead it till it feels just how you want it. And it's all ready to play with your Play-Doh. So my blue kind of has a greeny color because I didn't put in very much of the food coloring. So depending on how much food coloring, that will determine the color of your Play-Doh. So now I have a bowl or a ball of Play-Doh that I can play with. I can make something out of it. I can squish it around, make it into a big ball, or take some pieces off and make some smaller things, whatever I choose to make. So you can do that with your Play-Doh. Maybe you're going to make some different letters. Maybe you'd like to make the letter I or the letter A. Or maybe you're going to make a long, slimy, skinny snake to go on your table. So whatever you do with your Play-Doh is up to you. You can have lots of fun. And when you're finished with your Play-Doh for today, you don't need to throw it away. You can just get a Ziploc baggie. Put your Play-Doh in there. Zip it up. And put it in your fridge to keep it nice and fresh till the next time you want to play with it. So there you have it. An easy Play-Doh recipe that you can make with your mom or your dad or an older sibling, and then you have whatever color of Play-Doh you chose to make, and you can be creative with your Play-Doh. So I hope you'll make some Play-Doh sometime soon and have fun creating with your Play-Doh. Have an awesome day, and I will see you again soon. Bye for now.